The topic is the IoT-based smart agriculture system. Introduction. Introduction is the IoT-based smart agriculture system is designed to modernization traditional farming by using Internet of Things technologies. The project focused on automatic irrigation and monitoring environment conditions such as soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. By using sensors and microcontroller and mobile application, the system helps farmers make better decisions, reduce water wastage, and improve crop progress. Technology C++. It is C++ is programming the Node MCU, Arduino IDE, coding the uploading program. Node MCU is main controller in Floater mobile app development. Android today app development and environment. Sensor soil moisturizer and temperature humidity. Then water pump, automatic irrigation controller. They are used to automatic controller. Wi-Fi is data communication. Thank you.
Node MCU. Why do we use Node MCU? It is the brain of the system and it controls and it gives the information to sensor. Next we go to soil moisture. Soil moisture dictate the soil level, and if soil is wet, the watering will be on. If soil is dry, the water will be low. Then the sensor will collect the real-time data from the agriculture field. The Node MCU microcontroller process this data using C++ retains the Arduino IDE. The process data is sent to the cloud using Wi-Fi communication. The base of the balance and system automatically switch the water from on or off using a relay, ensuring the efficient irrigation. Test the soil moisture and temperature humidity sensor for accuracy. Verified Node MCU data process and Wi-Fi communication. Check real-time data display on the mobile application. Test relay module and water pump on-off operation. Validate both automatic and manual control modes. Confirm end-to-end system performance. SPP continued by 9.
Next is the performance observation and the system shows quick response time between sensor data and collection and display on the mobile. Sensor readings remain consistent, stable with the minimum fluctuation during the operation. Wi-Fi communication is a reliable, ensuring continuous data transmission without the frequent disconnect. The Node MCU consumes a low power, making the system suitable for long-term field development. The relay and water pump respond immediately to the threshold changes and ensure efficient irrigation. This is our project which contains Node MCU and ESP32, soil moisture sensor and ESP11 and relay module. This is our observation. We have got through the circuit. Next is the system implementation. We have used C++ program and logic to reduce the execution time and delay. Improved sensor readings, stability by filtering noise data, enhanced Wi-Fi connection handling, reduce disconnections. Redefined relay control, logic avoid unnecessary pump switching, reduce system error based on observation from earlier reviews. Improved overall system reliability and performance. Next one, continue by Krita. practical applications. It can be real agriculture fields, automated irrigation, suitable for the small medium scaling farms, reduces the manual continuous field monitoring, helps to efficient water management and water conservation, enables the monitoring and control through a mobile application. It can be additional sensors and advanced farming. Last is conclusion is successfully developed to IoT based smart irrigation system, automated irrigation using real-time sensor data, reducing the water wastage of manual intervention, and achieved to reliable system validation and performance, and implemented the optimization of improved efficiency. The system is ready for real world applications.